Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Concur for travel and reimbursement tax treatment, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Concur for travel and reimbursement tax treatment, begin by logging into your Concur account. Enter your username and password on the login page. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Select the option for Profile from the drop-down menu. Look for the section labeled Tax Settings within your profile. Click on Edit next to Tax Settings to make adjustments. Review the current tax treatment options available to you. Choose the appropriate setting that aligns with your company's reimbursement policy. Ensure that you understand the implications of each tax treatment option. After selecting the correct option, save your changes. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard and locate the Expense tab. Under the Expense tab, select Create New Expense. Begin inputting details for your travel expenses. Make sure to categorize each expense correctly according to the selected tax treatment. Attach any necessary receipts by clicking on the Attach Receipt button. Once all expense details are complete, review everything for accuracy. Submit your expense report for approval by clicking on the Submit button. Wait for confirmation that your report has been submitted successfully. Monitor the status of your expense report through the Notifications panel. If revisions are needed, follow the feedback provided to make necessary adjustments. Once approved, keep an eye out for reimbursement to ensure it aligns with your selected tax treatment. Check your financial records to confirm that the reimbursement reflects the tax treatment you activated. Stay compliant by regularly reviewing your travel and reimbursement settings in Concur. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.